Welcome to Panorama 9, how to set up notifications. We will set up a notification within the antivirus area. First, we want to make sure that we are monitoring whether the antivirus is updated, is running, and is installed on the individual machines. Next, we will set up a rule-based notification. We will click on plus. We will call this test AV, and you can add as many as you want. Then we would like to be notified both if the antivirus is not updated, not running, or not installed. We want to create a rule based on time and date. We want to make sure that after 5 o'clock and before 9 o'clock in the morning, we will get a text message if any of the three is not responding. Next, we need to enter the date frame, 1st of July, and then we will make sure that at least it goes on until Christmas. Next, simply press save, and here you go, your first notification.